How to use coconut oil and olive oil for hair loss. Before we start, we remind you to click the red subscribe button to never miss a new video. Just don't forget to also click the little bell after you subscribe. Keeping a bottle of olive oil and coconut oil in your home can help keep your hair looking healthy, strong, and even shiny. Whether you use it as a regular conditioner, a styling product, or as a hot oil treatment, your hair can always benefit from this. The combination of coconut oil and olive oil will help promote blood circulation, nourish the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and reduce hair fall. Both of these oil kinds have antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can fight all kinds of hair problems. These are the coconut oil most important to know advantages. 1. It can help killing bacteria. 2. It protects organ function. 3. It also protects against hair damage. 4. It can cure the dryness and make your lips soft. 5. It improves memory problems. And these are the olive oil most important to know advantages. 1. It improves skin health. 2. Extremely healthy for cooking. 3. It can prevent strokes. 4. It can eliminate kidney stones. 5. It can even help losing weight. To use, mix an equal quantity of both oil kinds. Heat the oil mix to get it warm, and then apply the mixture to your strands. To get the best results, cover your head with a shower cap. You should leave this mixture on your head for at least 50 minutes, and then wash it off with shampoo. If you do this at least twice a week, you will probably see results very fast. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Also, click the subscribe button to never miss a new video. That's it for this video. See you next time.